I'm Master Sergeant Andrew Bisco from the 439th Airlift Wing Public Affairs Office, but we're here today at the isochronal inspection dock with Master Sergeant Joseph Whalen. He is a 439th Maintenance Group Quality Assurance Inspector, and today he is telling us about what latest gadget they have, and it's more than just a gadget. It's actual real asset to your operation here.
Yeah, absolutely is. This is the Joint Engineering Disposition Infrastructure. It allows us to collaborate real time with an engineer if we have anything that's beyond our tech data scope, that we can put a request in, get them on here, see it live, and they can give us a repair, tell us whether it's worthy of a flight or not, and then we can get the plane back to who it has to get back to.
And I understand this is a pretty new thing. You've had it here only since May?
Yeah, we had it here since May. We were the first base to receive the unit. Since we've got it, it's helped immensely. We've had several dispositions come back within several hours.
And tell us about one example that you've done with this to show how much it expedites things.
Well, we had a crack on a particular engine like this one that wasn't in the tech data, wasn't in the repair area, so we called back, got engineering on there. Will there be an engine drop or change? They determined it wasn't as bad for a change, and we was be able to fly to home station.
And this particular engine today, this is not an engine that you guys know normally is a C5 engine. This is a C5M, I understand?
Yes, this is the new model. This is the higher, more efficient engines, more power, better fuel efficiency.
And how is it that the maintenance workers get to work on these too? Because we just had the B models here.
Well, this is the ISO dock. All the C5s, whether they are at whatever base they're at, they'll come here for the minor ISOs, and that's what we take care of here, the minor infrastructure ISOs. So the men here are up to date with all the new models, and this engine, I don't think it has only like 1,550 cycles on this particular model.
Yeah, it does look very new.
Yeah.
And I understand too that with this JEDI equipment that Westover was the test bed for this equipment.
Yeah, well, like I said, we were the first unit to receive it. And since then, other bases have seen how fast we've gotten some things done. And of course, now there's a demand for the unit.
Yeah, and I wanted to highlight it. That's why I mentioned that again, because the maintainers have this Air Force-wide reputation here at Westover, and it's just another feather in their caps. Well, your caps.
Oh, absolutely. We pride ourselves on doing things here faster and better, and that's the name of the game.
How will this impact when you folks get the new C5Ms here, or is that too far out to look at right now? Is this?
Well, all maintenance is compacted by this. You can just get the engineering's in there to see it faster and to get a verbal to actually see what's going on. It's real time. They can give us the okay, go ahead and please, fix this, or they'll draw right on the camera itself the repair that's required, and we can start on it immediately. So whether it's out on our planes or the planes in here in ISO, very effective.
And there's anything else you wanted to add about this huge new, well, relatively new asset that you have here?
No, it's one of the things the Air Force pays for. This is one that really does work. I have to hand it to them. This is an excellent idea.
Well, Master Sergeant Whalen and I were just over at the ISO dock, and that was then. This is now. Now we're back in the QA office with Sergeant Whalen. Show us what we have here now after we've been over at the ISO dock.
Okay, this is a video we took down on the engine earlier, and you can see the points we brought up here. Set that right on it. Again, this is live, and we would send this video down to engineering, and they would view the whole thing.
So we can circle the area.
And that's a video.
So the engineers know exactly what we're looking at.
Now, who's doing the circling? That's back here in QA?
That's actually back on the camera at the site. We took the film. Engineering can zoom in out, zoom out. They'll take photographs as they need.
Yeah, perfect, right there.
As you can see there, he's saying that he wanted the video, he wanted it in focus.
That is an amazing micro lens, is what I think we, in the PA world, at least what we would call, because you can really see that.
Oh yeah, it'll go much further than that. You can actually see the pores in the metal. This all goes to the archive for the aircraft tail number.
And the biggest thing about this, again, is